This is Deepwind, and this is video 1 for lesson 1 mobile application. In this video, I'm going to show you how I launched the Android emulator, then running the code on the emulator and showing the demonstration based on what the lecture has been shown. So first I'm going to run the emulator. Then I will run the emulator. It's running here. It will take hopefully minutes. Okay, so right here is about to ready. Okay, so it is completely to be ready. So as you can see here on the very first screen, the blue area is called the app bar of the home page, and we have the app bar titles, lesson 1, and the white area right below it is called the body. The bodies and the app bar combined will be called the scaffold. And in the bodies, I have two words on the same row. Under that, I have two images that on the same row. Right below that, there are 3 buttons: the flat button, the icon button, and the raise buttons. Of the 3 buttons have controller for each. Once the user click on each button, there will be an alert dialog showing. For example, if I click on the flat button, this is the alert dialog. There is the titles in the body of the dialog, and the raise button here will be set up in such a way that if the user is clicking on the OK button, it will go back to the home page. If I click to OK button, go back to the home page. The same button will be set up for the icon and the raise button here. And below the buttons, these are the content of the bodies, and it will be set up using list view to make sure that the screen can be able to scroll up and down, because I have a lot of contents and all the contents cannot fit on the screen. So if I use my mouse to scroll up and down, you can see that I can scroll down to the very bottoms of my Okay, so let's go up to the top. So this is the top. As you can see, in the app bar, there's a little 3 line icons here. If I click on that, it will lead me to the drawer. So this is the drawers. I have the drawer header with an image on it, with a user image, and this is my first and last name and my UCO email address. In the drawer, I have buttons. So for example, if I click on the computer science department button, it will navigate me to the other page. And in this case, if I click on CED department, it navigates me to the computer science homepage. In computer science homepage, this is the titles of the app bar, and these little things will help me to go back to the homepage. So click on that icons again to go to the drawer. Click on CED department, will navigate to computer science homepage. In the bodies of this homepage, it will be another scaffold when it's navigating me to the computer science homepage. And we have the app titles, and then under that I have information about enrollments, undergraduates, and the graduate students. And an image is loaded below that. Right below the image, there will be information about the Department of Computer Science and the address, and a little star icon with a number of people who liked the page. The threes are on the same row, and right below that there's 3 icon buttons. At this moment, there's no controllers for these buttons. And then these little informations on blue highlight, I put them in card. Well, card has elevation and color features. We can put something like information or the missions of Department of Computer Science. Click on the return and go back to the lesson 1 homepage.